good players that they've brought in at Kaizer Chiefs, quality Sereno as well.
Yes.
So
Mara lo ikhanda.
that's
We spoke about
it. We
Yabona
spoke about
yayizwa
it.
ngishaya kanjani le khanda lalo yamuntu man.
Fana.
Unokuthi ibhola lidlala nje. Alandu Rave. Ucele Mdladla ngale game eSundowns, Chiefs lost 1-0, but I think he had a good game in terms of bossing that midfield. For not for too long, because obviously it's Sundowns, you can't boss it for too long because they are too experienced, they are too talented, they are just on another level. They will catch you. He plays one touch, two touch, simple but very effective. And now it will also allow, or it allows players like Ulolipop, Umobi to be free manje to do their thing, taking on players with confidence, knowing good, even if maybe anything happens, maybe they lose the ball, at least there's a stability. Amazulu is doing well. Is Bahleli number 6 manje. Uata just won first game yakhe as a head coach. Remember they were co-coaching Novusmus. Uvusumuzi bathu ubhala incwadi encane
lento ye-co-coaching
bathu ubhala incwadi encane bathu uvusumuzi ubhala incwadi encane wathi hey lalelani nginenkinga eyiningi
as personal
wathi no hey thina